Woodpecker?
Huh?
Oh, hi. The game?
Yeah.
What's the score?
88 to 62.
Who's winning?
The 88.
Are you sure about this?
No.
Well, what are you watching?
Because I hate some stuff, though.
Oh, come on, honey. There's nobody else would stare at this head. There's nothing put on. Don't watch. Ugh. What's the matter?
My tummy hurts.
Why?
Because I'm so hungry.
I suppose that you...
I'm so sick and I'm so tired of that.
Well, what did you eat?
I ate a lot of popcorn, and I ate a lot of peanut butter, and I ate a lot of nachos.
You ate all the bananas, except one.
I ate a lot of all the bananas.
You snack too much, yes you do, and you don't exercise enough. Look at your arm.
What are your arms now?
It's all flabby.
Yeah, your arms are good, mine's is great. Then look, it's the real muscle.
Muscle. And where did you get all that muscle?
I was lifted up, and I lift all with the bananas.
Well, you certainly have a lot of exercise.
Not the exercising. Did I hear somebody said exercising? Zoe just did, Zoe. Yeah, we can have another exercise to say. Look, Zoe, how's your face doing now? Figment, stop! Well, guess what? What? I have a real, super dirty and cut muscle. Well, let me see. Well, I just worked at the gym.
The gym?
Yeah, I worked out as a turtle dragon at the Dolly building course.
Oh, well, Figment, my body's always this built.
Yeah, so does the White House. They already know that every 100 years.
Ugh.